So we have reached Harvalem Waterfall, means we are reaching on the way. But look at this, beautiful trees and everything. It's so green, everything is green, and I don't know how much I need to walk now. We have parked the car over there. I don't know why my husband went, but it's beautiful. And there's this temple as well. Wait, I'll show you. Hi. So while going on the way, there's a beautiful temple, the Rudreshwar temple. It's nice. And I think so it is built in the time of Pandavas. Like, wow, beautiful. It's a Lord Shiva temple. Hi, the waterfall is so beautiful, and I just had to take hardly like 10 steps. I don't know, I saw it in other videos that you have to climb the steps and all. Wait a minute. So we didn't bring our mom. I'm regretting that. Take photo, hardly these many steps, yeah, and you can see the waterfall. Hi guys! So I have just come down in the water, and you see the waterfall is so pretty. Please guys, come here. I would highly recommend, even if you have senior citizens or people who have trouble walking. I made a mistake by not bringing my mom, because of few videos that I saw that there were a lot of steps and everything. But there aren't many. If you come via bike, I think so you have to put the bike somewhere up and then climb down and then come. But if you're coming by car, you can just, place it, and it's hardly like 10-15 steps. So please come. Amazing. Hey guys, it's an amazing point, highly recommended, amazing, beautiful. You can play, swim in water, clean water, cold water, like superb. Now, if you want to break from beaches and shacks and party and nightlife, you want to see something different, waterfall is great. Dudhsagar waterfall is a bit difficult. We had been there 3-4 years ago. It is beautiful. Highly recommend if you can go. It takes longer period, like whole one day. But this is nice. It is 1 hour journey from Candolim, where we are staying, and then we spent around half an hour, 40 minutes, enjoyed in the water. Now going back, and amazing. The waterfall is milky white, just like Dudhsagar. It is a smaller version, but amazing. So if you want a waterfall experience, please come here. Okay, and it is super easy. There's a temple as well. You can take darshan of that mandir. It was built during the Pandavas era, so it is nice. And yeah, so there's also one cave. I'll show you while going. I'll just sit in the car. Bye. Hi guys. So after having food at Satpurush, then we have reached Arambol beach. It's beautiful, wavy. Let me show you the view. Nice. Look at the sunset. It is beautiful. White sands. नहीं नहीं चाहिए. Such a beautiful view. Wow, amazing. The sun has set. Beautiful. Amazing. My mom is standing there. She did not come in the water. Amazing, amazing. Wow, look at the waves. Hi. So how are you feeling? Fine.
Super!
Woo! Thank you.